You should sit in meditation every day for 20 minutes, unless you're too busy. Then you should meditate for an hour. Welcome to a 1-minute meditation for busy people. Bit of an introduction to meditation. Settle into a comfortable seated posture. Don't lie down, it might make you go to sleep, unless of course it is necessary, and in that case it's perfectly fine. And have your feet flat on the floor and your hands gently resting on your lap. And you can just gently close your eyes or have a soft gaze down and start off with 3 deep breaths, deep into your belly, and let it all the way out. 3 of those, and then I'll sound the chime. And you can be focusing after the chime on sound. The sound in the room, the sound outside, or possibly even in your body if you're hungry and it's grumbling. Okay. If you drift off into thought, just notice and gently come back to sounds. That was 1 minute. Excellent. You can do that anytime, anywhere. Well, no. So long as you're not supposed to be attending to something like the road. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.